running out of storage space in your hard drive. If you want to know how to free up some space without erasing your own files or anything like that, I'm going to show you in this quick video how to remove extra files that you don't even need, that Windows doesn't even require. Really easy. It doesn't require you to sacrifice your own files. All you need to do is go to the search and you want to type storage. Once you type storage, you want to click on storage, and then the storage menu will open. In here is going to show you guys you have a temporary file of 24 gig, but you might be different depending the updates. Other files for 12 gig documents and apps and features. If you want to click on an apps and feature, you can go there and you can see every program that you have, how much it takes, and you can remove them if you don't need them. But the main one is the temporary file. You can click on the temporary file, and then you want to come here. You don't want to click on the first check because it will erase everything you have on your download folder. So you want to leave the first one. You want to erase the recycle bin, delivery optimization file. You want to erase this one. You will not need that. And temporary installation file too. So click all those and then click remove file. Now you're going to clean up to 9.2 gigs. In this case, that's my situation. Yours might be even more. So remove files and just let it finish. If you like this video, don't forget to follow me as I make daily videos on tips and tricks for your computer.